Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect Google Drive to N8N. First, go to the N8N and log into your account. Now, click on the plus icon at the top right corner to create a new workflow. Then, search for Drive and click on Google Drive. Now, click on Upload File. Next, click on Select Credential and choose Create New Credential. Now, open a new tab and search for Google Cloud Platform. Then, click on its official link. Here, click on Credentials from the left side. Then, click on Configure Consent screen. Now, click on Get Started. Then, enter the app name. Now, select your user support email from the drop-down. Then, click on Next. Now, select the audience as external and click on Next. Here, enter the contact email address. Then, click on Next again. Now, check the box that says I agree and click on Continue. After that, click on Create. Then, click on the three lines from the top left corner. Now, click on APIs and Services. And again, click on Credentials from the left side. Here, click on Create Credentials, then click on Auth Client ID. Now, select the application type like Web Application. Then enter the name. Next, click on Add URL. Now, enter the URL of N8N. Once this is done, go to the library. Now, search for Google Drive API and click on it. Then click on Enable. Now, click on the three lines from the top left corner. Then go to APIs and Services and click on Credentials again. Now, click on the pencil icon next to your newly created Auth client. Here, you will see your client ID and secret. Then, go back to N8N and you'll see the client ID box. Now, copy the client ID from Google Cloud and paste it into N8N. Then do the same for the client secret. Now, click on Sign in with Google. Then click on Save. Then click on Save. After that, click again on Sign in with Google and complete the sign in. Then go back to Google Drive node in N8N. Here, you can enter the resource operations input data field name or file name. Now, put all necessary things and click on Test tab to check if it's working. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.